Hi guys, today I am going to be showing you my slime. So, my slime has a bag in it. And do you want to see my slime? I can't hear you. Okay, let's see my slime. If you hear my voice, I've got a sore voice and I've got Jojo Siwa pajamas on. And my channel is called Teen Cunningham, so if you want to come, if you're a new one, if you don't subscribe, I always love you. Well, let's move on. So, I got things for Christmas. It's called Glam Goo. And how to open it, this is where all my slimes are. How to open it is this. And obviously it's open. But it'll have a pink thing on it. And you just peel that off. So, do you want to see my first slime? Okay. This is my first slime. It's like putty. So, every time it's like not stretchy, if you see. It just breaks. And it's purple. I only have pink and blue. I made 9 of these. I only had pink and blue. 11. I gave one to my sister, but hers went harder. I gave one to my cousin, hers went harder. So, but that one, I only had pink and blue colouring. So, this one feels like putty though. I'm going to move on to the next one. So, I had a blue. This blue's got sparkles in it. Every single one's got sparkles in it. Except from, every single one's got sparkles in it. So, this one's like putty. And I did a big blow. I did some blue, that's it. But then I leaved a clear one. But the clear ones are like, this one's putty, but this one's slime. Anyways, and it's got some sparkles in it. But then I made this one. This is another clear one though. I'm sorry for all the clear ones. Anyways, I made this one, and this one's definitely slime. You can even tell if you look. Hi guys. And anyways, that's definitely slime. Anyways, please subscribe. I want about 1,000, please. Anyways, let's move on to the other one. So, I made this like, instead of purple, I made this like silver colour. And then, but then, because I did a big blob of blue, a little blob of pink, and then a big blob of blue. And I made this colour. I know it looks blue to you, but it's actually purple. And this one is definitely slime, because you can even tell. And then I made this pink one, because I obviously had pink, but this one feels like slime. I actually can't tell. It's hard and then it turns soft. But at the end, one I'll show. And then I made this one. But I did a big blob of pink, a little blob of blue, and a big blob of pink. So let me rewrite that. A big blob of pink, a little blob of blue, and a big blob of pink. So, I actually can't, this is definitely putty, and this is what the colour it made. I'm going to go on to the next one now. This one is definitely slime. So, I have this clear one, and it's really, really, really stretchy. And I don't think it's the best though. I think And then, but this one, it was clear, but I made it blue with a glitter blow pen. If you see, it doesn't get onto your hands. Watch, if I just play with it, look, it doesn't get onto your hands. So, but if you subscribe to me, I will give you your favourite slime that I had. They were all my slimes. So, yeah, I hope you had a really good Christmas. And I like this bag because if you look, there's sparkles in it. And if you go like that, the sparkles will come down. Well, please subscribe. I would like some comments next time what my other video should be. Thumbs up. Smash that like button.